we can see that the last 3 weeks starting from here into here had our high and low like this, and this is our supply level. So if this is our supply level, we want to say market has come to the supply and rejecting it. So we might see a continuation of markets like this, and also we have a support here, market to come into this level like this. So this market will continue to drop, and a close below here will give us further drop. Final target will be a fill of the liquidity or void that is created. We have a void here. From here to here is a void. So this void needs to be filled. So market might continue to drop into this level. But nevertheless, what am I going to be looking at for? If I planned for a sell because the last 3 weeks is sloping downward and our supply is maybe around this level and the market has rejected it and we want to find a sell continuation like this, first and foremost, to project my TP, I may have to use the AB equals to CD algorithm. So I map out the initial leg from high to low, and when I do that, I can bring it to this high point. Then immediately I can create a support zone where this market is expected to get to without much ado, without any difficulty. AB equals to CD leg projection. So we have it around this level. So invariably, I will look for a sell to this level to begin with. Finally, I can expect a little bit drop into this level. At where? At the 1.2550 zone. Initial TP will be at 125.87 or 90 zone. So if this is what I'm looking for, we might just find a sell opportunity in GBP USD and run the race with that goal in mind. So I'll put this in the group. I'll call it GBP USD trade plan midterm. Okay, so if I have a midterm view like that, so let's go further. I'll say on the intraday, what am I expecting? I sent a chart on what I'm looking for as far as market is concerned. I sent a chart to the group the last time, but I would like to review it also here again. So on Friday, we expect that market had a rally like this. It come back here, and we had a change of character like this. So we had our breakout block like this, and then invariably, the market came to this breakout block and is currently dropping. So this is where we have a sell from last Friday. If you took that sell, you should end the week in profit. And I said close this trade before the market eventually close, so that we do not probably suffer any swap charges on our running trade before this thing. Since a sell on GU is a negative swap, so hence the reason why I instructed that you close the trade before swap is charged on the running position. So there will not be anything bad to take that and then continue with it again as soon as the market opens on Monday. You can always avoid the swap that your account can be charged with. So it is your best interest to close trade that is going to accumulate negative charge. Okay, so we expect a drop like this at least. So market is expected to make a pullback on Monday into the zone. Okay, now how do I mean? Just as we have a change of character at this point, if you look critically well, you will see that we have another change of character at also around this point. So just like market came to the breakout block around this point and start dropping, we equally expect a comeback to the breakout block and start dropping. So it is a replica of exactly the structure that has happened here that we are equally projecting and envisaging from here. So the market is fractal, they say. This is the fractality that we have always been discussing. I hope this is clear. So if you ask me, find a sell around 127.37 zone with a stop loss at around 127.60 and then anticipate a trade towards 126.56 zone as the case may be. Let's put that in this level here. This is exactly the intraday trade plan on GBP USD.